Hi guys, welcome to Panther Hunt Trades. I hope you're grateful today because this is the key for everything literally in life, and for a good trading start with an attitude of gratitude. Okay, so today I'm going to be explaining my strategy. I am not a billionaire or millionaire yet, but I'm here with you together to make money on this channel and learn from the mistakes together. So let's dive into my strategy that completely works for me fine, and I have so far always won with this strategy. I backtested it, but I give an advice. Use a demo account. Don't use your own money yet because I don't want you to blame me if something doesn't go well. So first backtest it, try it out, and let me know what you think. Okay, guys, so luckily it is New York time session, so we can trade, yeah? I like to trade at this time as well. I am trading mostly gold. You can pick any other pair if you like, but I like to trade gold. So before we dive into my strategy, please make sure that you have these things ready. So first of all, go to Heiken-Ashi candles. You will pick Heiken-Ashi. Here you see. All right, done. Then you go to indicators and you can type in VWAP and you will get volume weighted average price. Turn that on. Okay, I already have twice. Now you can turn it off. At this point you don't need it. Okay, so make sure first of all to go to 4-hour time frame and mark your charts. So mark your higher highs and lower lows, right? This is something that you should do if you want to be safe with your trades. This is something you should do like daily. Okay, so as you see, I always start from the right side, from here. So this is where I'm gonna start to mark up and my way to the left. Yeah, do at least 3 markups. So the higher high here, it was my first one over here actually. Yeah, well, I added it today. Okay, so when you're done with this, then you go to 1-hour time frame. And please mark up your support and resistance if you haven't already. But these are the things that I'm asking to do before you even look for your confirmations. So once your chart is looking like that, every day you can just look for your confirmations. You do not have to constantly redraw your charts, remark. So sometimes, yes, it depends how the market moves, but at this point, like, not much changed since yesterday. So I could keep my resistance and support where it is, and as well, yeah, higher highs, lower lows, they stay where they are. They don't disappear. What you can do is just add the ones that added today, right? Okay, so if you have done this with me, this is my support and resistance. If you don't know how to do it, please go to my other video so you can learn how to do it first. The next step, so the first confirmation, we're gonna go to 15 minutes time frame. I want you to look for the previous higher high. That's gonna be here, and draw a line and write BOS number 1. So that means break of structure. That's the line. Number 2 at the bottom at the lowest low. Once you have done all of this, we go back to 1 hour chart, and we're gonna look for a W or M. Do you see a formation of letter W or letter M? Okay, so take this, the path, and I see that it could have been this, but I'm waiting on this. Possibly that could break through. Alright guys, so how to go into the trade is to go to the 5-minute chart, turn on the VWAP session. You will be looking for a second point where the candles don't touch the line. So here it's not so good actually. This is not good, right? It's too close to the moving average, to the volume average, so it is possible that the market is indecisive and it could still go the opposite direction. So I wouldn't take a trade over here. We are waiting also for a break of structure anyway, and let's say if it was over here and it would break our break of structure line, then you could have went in, but it is way too close to the line at this point, so we're not gonna take this. All right, so imagine if it would cross, how you can go in and do the panther jump, the full body. You know, when a panther is jumping on its prey, it jumps with the full body. So that's why you're gonna be looking only for full body candles. What I mean is only candles looking like this. And very important, that there is no wick at the bottom. So these kind of candles, these full candles. All right, so once you see one or second one that is above the line, above the BOS, you can definitely just go in 5 minutes time frame and take 1 to 3. So what's handy, what I do is sometimes just put an alarm. So I would make my alarm over here, or even here. You will already see once it crosses this line, it will definitely hit the POS, and once it hits, that could be your take profit one. Once it hits that, it might also cross it, and then you can take TP2. If you want to be sure of the trade, I would rather just wait till it crosses the BOS. Okay guys, so if you would be taking this trade, for example, if you would be taking trade after this candle, you would have to pick your stop loss right under the second candle over here and go for 1 to 3 ratio trade. Okay, so let's see if I can hop on a trade with you so we can record it properly. So guys, I didn't hop on a trade, but look at that. My prediction was more than accurate. And gold is going up. Let's make money. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.